What's going on, y'all? So tonight, we're gonna go ahead and remove the reinforcement bar. It's gonna give us better access to the radiator and also the crankshaft and all that good stuff. It's gonna give us more room to work, make everything a little bit easier. Plus, that crash part's gonna be modified for that the intercooler. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Artlist.io.
So first off, you got a total of 8 bolts. They're gonna be on the front side of the reinforcement bar. I've already taken them off camera, so I'm basically gonna show y'all where they are. Look in the front.
Music licensing reimagined.
You will see these 2 holes. You got 2, 4. It's the same way on the other side. There's the holes right there. Same on the bottom side. 4 holes. So like I said, just take a 13mm socket and you can go ahead and get them things out. All right, here's the tricky part. So you got all your bolts out and you go to try to take the reinforcement bar off and you see that it's not budging. The reinforcement bar is actually welded on to the frame by some spot welds. If you look right here, that little circle right there, that's the spot weld. It's the same way on the bottom side. So I'm gonna take a drill bit and basically all we're gonna do is just drill it out. All right, that's one side off. Give it a good little twist. There it goes. All that room to work.
Music licensing reimagined.